Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing these colors in a bracelet. So stay tuned of what I'm going to be creating in this video. So how are y'all today? I am doing well. How about yourself? So what I'm going to do is do these colors first with the gold spacers in between of it. And then I'm going to go and do these colors together. And then this. And then the rest of the colors together. So I'm about to start on them right now, as y'all can see. Probably put 2 spacers, 2 beads, 2 spacers. That's what I was going for and see. Let's see what I'll come up with. I like beads this big too because I can really grip them. Because why not? But how are y'all today? Me, I'm doing fine. How about y'allself? Stay tuned of what it's going to look like. So stay tuned. So this is what I have so far. On the bracelets. Twirl it around. And put 2 more spacers on there. Look, they always trying to run from me. Like, why? I'm going to put like another one on here. And probably another one. Yep. So this is what I have. What I'm going to do is cut this. And twirl it. And I'm going to tie it up. Right. Make sure it's be right and good. Like it should be. And I'm going to tie it up again. Like this. And then tie it again. So it won't fall off. Hate when it do that. But this is what it's looking like. And I'll be back with the other ones. So now I'm making my other pattern. Of what I want it to look like. So if y'all can see, is pink, green, blue. The spacer. I got 2 spacers on here and then the same pattern going around. So what I'm going to do is put it on the string. Make sure my mic on because I want y'all to hear me. 'Cause who got time for y'all not hearing me? They be trying to run from me. Like they don't want to be on the string. But stay tuned on what I have came up with and designed. So I'm about done with this pattern that I have going on. Put some more spacers in between to make it look and act right. What are you doing? What? Well, shut my door. So what I'm gonna do is now tie it up so y'all can see me. Line it up real good so it won't come off the string. Off the string. Put it off some more. So this is what I have with this. So what I'm gonna do now is put the big beads with the small beads in the spacers, and I'll be back showing y'all how I designed it. So I'm going like with this design on it. This is what I'm going for. So this spacer act like it didn't want to cooperate with me, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, just like this. The get the creation that I need, the combo colors that I really need for this. But stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you on the string of what I'm going to be doing. So this is what I came up with. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on my string. Make sure it's enough. The string. To put on there. I'm using this kind. That kind of string. To do this nice bracelet. Then probably what's left on this board, I'll probably make another one for whatever's left on here. Well, why not? But it's still going to be 3 a set. But I'm going to just make the extra one. And yeah. And now, so what I'm going to do is put some more spacers on here to fill up the gap, which is filled up. And pull y'all up some. And then I'm going to cut it and do the same thing I did with the other ones. Same thing. We got the other one that I did. So stay tuned of when I'm gonna show it to y'all in the next clip. Okay. So this is what I got. I like it. It's cute in my eyes. But yeah. This is what I got. It's cute. If y'all want it in a smaller size, just let me know. I'll make it. Put it on my site thing. Put the link in the description. And I will show you, and y'all get it or whatever, and it's yours. And put this one on my site too, so y'all can get it if y'all like it. But I like it. So it has 1 spacer, 2 beads, and then the big ball. It's got 2 beads, big beads, and 2 spacers. And this one has 3 and 2 spacers, 3 beads, different color one. But at the end it has 4. And this one has 3 spacers. And this one has 4 spacers. So this is what I have. And I've got. Yep. Oops. I'll be back. So, okay, I did another style. And it's like this. So what I'm going to do is put it on a string. I ain't going to put no. Let me see. Should I put spacers in between? I think I am. Put the spacers in between here. To get, the feeling of them. To make it look pretty and right. So, I'm going to put it like this. With 2 spacers. And then the 2 beads. Then a spacer. 2 beads. All of these might not fit on here, but it's alright. It's alright if it don't. It's okay. I can put them up. Yeah. But I'll be back with the final look of this bracelet. So this is what I came up with this last bracelet. Came up with this, and it goes around real nicely. Then what I'm gonna do is again cut it, bring y'all up so y'all can see me tie it. Cut it off, and this is what it's looking like. Supposed to go like this, but the other two beads is not even on there anymore. I didn't put that together on there, so yeah. But this is the one only by itself, and then you have the group, the set. The set on there. Bring y'all up so y'all can see my face with it, but yeah. That's what it looks like. And then you have this one. So this is what's left out of 4 bracelets that I've done with these glass beads. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You can share it. Don't matter to me, as long as y'all get my videos out there. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.